Ooh. Whoa!
Oh, dude,
That was fucking awesome.
we got something in the trees burning over there.
Oh, they're still cooking. I wasn't expecting it to explode.
How many was that?
Jesus Christ! I wasn't expecting that.
We got hot embers over in that tree.
That was fucking.
I wasn't expecting it to go like
them,
that.
You see them hot embers.
Holy fuck! Is it done yet?
I don't think so.
There's still another one cooking.
Grab that stick for me.
I ain't going near it.
How many was that? How many?
I think there was only 6.
That was your 8 cell. There's still one cooking yet, and the fucker's red hot. And that's just the fluid. Holy shit!
I don't know, but there was shit that flew way over there, dude. It went. I mean, there was a big chunk. That's like 30 feet from the fire pit. And then there's
Imagine if that thing would have flew. I think you got one more.
What else cooking?
Holy shit!
There's one left.
Don't poke it.
No, I think that's the one that just went.
Well, I don't want to stand there and find out.
There's 3. Okay, Zach. Okay, let's let them know. I don't want to be.
See how they went? They were violent.
Lithium ion. That's some pretty.
Deadly chemical.
Oh yeah, let's burn them. I want to know is where the rest of them are.
They probably separated and went, oh wait, there's 3 right there. That didn't go.
Throw them on quick.
You got any more accelerants?
I don't know what I could use.
Let's look through the garage. Dude, your liquid tape is flammable as shit.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Don't put. We're gonna save that for some more flammable shit.
Damn.
There should be one more. There's 3 of them. Maybe that was all of them. Maybe a little more. Alright. Oh, it went out. Come on. There we go. Oh, I should have put the rock on it. Okay, there we go. Now we're good. Gotta have the rock on it. Otherwise it'll go flying.
But what if it comes flying this way now?
Oh shit, you know what? I never thought of that. So we're going to want to stand over kind of this way. I'm going to tell you, it might come flying out. These fuckers are kind of violent.
That last one was pretty freaking sweet though.
I know, I like the one where that one went. I should go look for it. At least I don't think it went. What was that?
Good thing it's getting higher.
I don't know, I heard that, and then I heard something behind us before that. Okay, somebody keep...
animal's gonna come over here and check this shit out.
Hey, you never know. There's a lot of different animals out here. I was out hunting down back over there, where that other bridge is out here on 13, that river. I was hunting just off on one part of it, sitting on a tripod stand, and a fucking black bear that come running through. I shit my pants. They come crashing through the water, and I was just, oh man, I was, just absolutely just, I froze. I didn't know what to fucking do.
It's not done already, is it?
I'm not for sure. Still burning. I hear it sizzle. Zach, we'll take a look. Hey, we know the stages now. Okay, there's a pop, and all of a sudden there's like, you can hear it, and then it'll be okay for a little bit, and all of a sudden it'll just kind of like, and all of a sudden, bam, there it goes. So we're kind of in a good stage right now.
I only see one there.
Yeah, there's there's 3 there, but the one that's on fire is the one that we're looking for.
This one?
Yes. Don't pull it out of the rock. Bang! I don't know, it's still burning, so... I don't know.
Shit!
Okay, it did go off. Alrighty then. Look at that. Oh, there it is.
It's in 2 halves. Look at it. Would have hit us.
Well, there's the inside part.
That would have hit us.
Wow, them fuckers are violent. Good thing we had it under a rock, kind of, sort of.
What about those other 2 that just went...
No. Well...
When it's shot, if that
we'll
wasn't
have to
down,
watch the
it would have hit that rock and come bouncing.
We'll have to watch the first video. Again to see which one blew first. Because I don't know where that other cell went, because there's only 6 there.
Stop.